Hey guys, it's Tony. I figured I would let you guys know a little bit of the what's it called? Whenever I release an unusual options activity video, it's not necessarily a buy or a sell. It's not necessarily that's not what I released them for. It's general information that you guys can use to trade, right? Um, by that I mean it's just a volume float that my code basically tells me, hey, there's a lot of money flowing into this specific call, right? Or the specific option. It can be a put, it can be a buy. That doesn't mean that all that volume is flowing in there from one person or a couple of people. It just means that this in particular one is popular, right? There's a lot of volume in that. It can be a big hedge fund hedging a position that they're playing, or it can actually be a big hedge fund. Maybe they know something that we don't, right? But this isn't an immediate, oh, I'm gonna buy the, thankfully, like 95% of the volume flow or the videos that I posted out about these unusual options activities, they tend to hit, and they tend to be a pretty good return of actual, a pretty good return of money, right? A pretty good return of what the actual indication of where the price is headed. But that doesn't necessarily mean that it's an automatic buy. It just means that there's a lot of money flowing into this specific option or a call or a put, and it can either be a hedge or it can be, a big move by big money. We don't know. That's the thing that we don't know, and that's up to you guys to decide. I'm not here to tell you guys that these are free money, because they're not. It's basically information that you guys can use, maybe research yourself, and kind of figure out, oh, you know what, this would be an actual good play. Tesla, for whatever reason, is on an uptrend, and if somebody thinks that Tesla's hitting $1,000 in 2 weeks, hey, maybe this is the indication that somebody else thinks, maybe big money thinks, that they're headed in that same direction, right? So I just wanted to explain this a little bit, because I feel like I've gotten a lot of new people recently following me, and they don't know what these videos are for, right? And I know a lot of the older people, not the older people, but a lot of my older followers, or my original followers, they know exactly what these videos are for. And people that just recently started following me, they don't know what it is, right? Or even new traders, right? So it's not to let you guys know that these are calls for, options that are going to hit 100%. That's not it. It's just information that I'm releasing, that my code picks up, that you guys can use to decide to either actually go through with it and buy a call, or maybe do some research and find out that it's an actual hedge from a fund or something, and they're just hedging their position. So, I just wanted to come on here and explain that a little bit to you guys and kind of go from there. So I'll see you guys later.